welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a brand new video. Today I am unboxing loads of things that I recently picked up from Poundland. It's a pretty big haul, but I've only just done last month another huge Poundland haul. So if you missed that and wanted to check it out, I will leave a little link. Oh, in fact, this was included in the last Poundland haul. There you go, sneak peek as to one of the items. Without further ado, make sure you've got yourself set and ready with a nice cozy drink, get comfy, relax, and let's begin. So I've actually got 4 huge bags full of bits, but the one thing that didn't fit in a bag was this. You guys know I love the White Company dupes, and this was one thing that I saw in Poundland that I wanted to get my hands on, that they have very similar ones on the White Company, and it's called a shepherd's hook. There's actually 2 in a pack, and they're essentially pushed into the ground. This bit is pushed into the ground outside, and then you can hang little lanterns on these or whatever you want. And so I actually got 2 of these glass tea light holders, which essentially I'm going to be hanging on those hooks with a little tea light in, and then I just think it would make a really nice cozy outdoor space, all the more cozy. So yeah, these were £1 each as well. The next 2 items that I got I want to show you together, and this is actually going to be a little DIY that I spotted on Rosie Henshaw's channel. So she quite often does little DIY crafty type videos, including Poundland things. She breaks off the stem of this gin balloon glass from Poundland and kind of rests it in the hole, and it makes for a little hurricane that you can put a little candle in here. I just thought it looked really pretty, and you could even spray paint this part white as well, so it's all white and glass. I needed some fabric softener, and as always my go-to is the Fairy fabric softener. They actually had a new one, and I did give it a little sniff, and it's like with an extra fragrance, but to be honest with you, this one already smells lovely, and I'm a bit cautious with buying overly fragranced fabric. Why can't I say fabric softener? Fabric softeners, because sometimes I can get sensitive skin. Anyway, moving on. This next one is for those of you like me who are a big fan of autumn and Christmas time. Christmas is coming early on this channel. I am not holding back with the content, and let's be honest, July's a little bit early, but when I saw these, you never know how long they're gonna last. They might get swept up pretty quickly. So I am stocking up in preparation of the winter months, and I picked up some of these Airwick plug-ins. I think these were £1, but the actual scents were £5, I think, so it's kind of pricey, but they're a really good brand. Winter Wonderland, which I think will be my fave. This one has fresh seasonal pine fragrance, which is one of my favorite fragrances to use in the house. And then this one is for the real Christmassy months. This one is in Christmas Cookie. Can't wait to use these, but for now they're just gonna go in my fragrance drawer. I've stocked up on this 2-pack of Tupperware. They have different colors available. I just went for the little black rim, but yeah, a pack of 2 for £1. Really handy for putting leftovers in. I needed some parcel tape. Quite often if ever I sell things on Depop, or if I am doing any returns for anything, then I always like to have some parcel tape just at hand. I spotted these Yankee Candle car jar air fresheners, which I picked up 2 of. One for Tom because he loves a new car scent, and this is black and it's in new car scent, so he can have that one. And then I saw this one, which just summer vibes, alfresco afternoon, and it's got little lemons and oranges on it, very kind of Italian vibe, so that one's gonna go in my car. This one was a limited edition. Palmolive have brought out a few new fragrances of their shower gels, and again, the lemons. This one's called Italian Gardens. These were £1.50 though, and they're quite generously sized. 500 mils. To also go in the shower, we got a new little shower body puff. Oh, this one has a luxury mesh. I also got a couple of these Scrub Buds Powerful Microfiber Cleaning Pad dual-sided. Now, I'm not claiming these to be as good as Minky, but when you get 2 in a pack for £1, I think these are great for if you're really wanting to go to town with a deep clean with something, say whether it be an oven or, I don't know, plugs or shower or something, where you're really gonna get in there, scrub, and get a load of grime off something, then sometimes it's quite nice just to have a cheaper sponge, not to use my Minky, so that if it does ruin or if I can't salvage it for a second or third use, then at least this is just £1, you know, £1 for a pack of 2. This might be a bit TMI, so I'm just going to show it pretty quickly. But a load of you ask how I wear my Zara bodysuits, like what bra to wear. And I don't, but I know sometimes people are a bit conscious of like nipples being on show or being seen. So these were quite a good idea as an alternative, these little silicone nipple covers, 1 pair, reusable. I also picked up this Absolute White whitening gel pen, and I'm intrigued to give this a try. With drinking filter coffee, we've been having one pretty much every morning, which I love, but I do think it discolors your teeth having black coffee, or at least filter strong coffee. So I usually use Crest whitening strips, but you can only get them in America, so I thought I would give this a try. I'll let you know if I love this. And to go with that, some new toothpaste. I picked up the Advanced White Colgate. Next up, I picked up some Fairy Anti-Bac Washing Up Liquid, and I've never tried this scent before, but it sounds right up my street, Eucalyptus, and it's in this gorgeous blue colour. I picked up some treats, and I'm not gonna lie, these are for the weekend. I'm trying to be good during the week, at least predominantly good, and avoiding sugars and chocolates and things like that until the weekend where I get a little crazy. So I picked up some of my absolute faves, some Lotus Biscoff favourites. So first and foremost, the Biscoff spread is incredible. You've got to really try and resist not to eat the entire jar in one sitting. I thought I might try this in baking of some sort, maybe a little Lotus cupcakes or something, I don't know. And then I've never seen these before. They had the regular Lotus, I feel like they always have Lotus Biscoff biscuits in Poundland, but they had these ones with dark chocolate on, which I thought was a nice little addition. Oh no, not dark chocolate, Belgian chocolate, sorry. And then I also picked up 2 of these, which look incredible. They do actually have a third flavour. This one is in vanilla and this is in Biscoff cream, which you've got that creamy layer in the middle. They have a chocolate one as well, but I thought I would just get these 2 for now. Bring on the weekend. And for a healthier snack choice midweek, I spotted these baked pea snacks. They came in 2 different flavours. Black pepper and rosemary, and the other one was just lightly salted, so I thought I would try this one. They are gluten-free, all natural, less than 100 calories per serving. They are baked and not fried as well, so they have 50% less fat. I spotted these little glass votives in this heart shape, which I remember seeing around Valentine's Day time, I think in a red, but this is a really nice subtle gold colour. You could leave them as they are, you could spray paint them white. And I was thinking White Company vibes. They've got little heart-shaped tea lights, which I thought reminded me of these. I also picked up this little candle in this bubble black glass. They had different colours as well. This scent is in tobacco and vanilla, and to be honest with you, I didn't really buy it for the scent. I don't think the scent's that nice. I got it more for the aesthetic. I thought this could look really nice on top of a coffee table on a couple of books or something. And it reminded me of one that I saw on H&M, and this is obviously only £1. So yeah, love that. I rarely pick up any of the beauty, but I did spot this little Barry M nail paint. This is the jelly one, which is in the shade Butterscotch Sundae. Oh, that's such a good name. And it's this gorgeous, really, really light beige. And I remember when I was younger using Barry M and loving it, and then remember when they brought out the jelly ones as well, and they are quite good actually for a drugstore brand. I picked up this dress and suit cover in very my colours, beige, black and white, and I thought this would be really nice to have maybe a few of these kind of all lined up either in Tom's wardrobe or in mine, but probably more so Tom's, because at the minute he has a couple of mismatched ones and a couple of cheaper ones that are like ruined now, so I thought to have them all in matching it would be quite nice. Next up, I picked up a book which I've never read before, by a fellow YouTuber, Zoe Sugg, the queen of YouTube. I feel like she was the ultimate YouTuber growing up, watching her. So I know this isn't like a typical book that I would ever pick up to read, but I thought I would give it a go with it being Zoe Sugg, and it was only obviously £1. It says 150 on there, but that's in euros. I don't know why they priced it up as that. It was £1. I feel like I'll fly through that pretty quickly. So yeah, I've been really enjoying reading lately. I also picked up another book. This time it is a Collins word search challenge book, because I love a word search. These ones are themed, which again, I love a good themed word search. And when I opened it up in the store just to see what it was like in the inside, I opened up to one, oh, there it is, Christmas. So I took that as a sign, picked it up. I'm such a puzzler. I like to do those things either like traveling or in an evening watching TV sometimes. Anyway, moving on, I got these snacks as well, these Go Ahead bars. I've never actually tried these before, but again, they didn't look too bad for you at only 63 calories per slice and quite low sugars at only 3 grams. And this one is in cracking cinnamon. Cinnamon is probably my favorite spice of all time. I love cinnamon. I think it's because it's the nostalgia of it being a seasonal spice. I don't know, but I love it. Okay, the last item of the second bag now, 2 down, 2 to go. This is another shower gel which I picked up and wanted to try after that Palmolive Italian Gardens one. This is one of the hydrating water infusions, Original Source. I love Original Source. I feel like their tea tree minty one, everyone knows and loves it, but this is in pineapple and lemon zest with 100% natural fragrance, and it is extra hydrating with 3 different moisturizers in, so I'm intrigued to give this one a try. We needed some new paper for our printer, and I think these were priced at £2 for 500 sheets. I also stocked up on a couple more white folders for storage. We're having a bit of a clear out of paperwork and stuff, and we do have some of these which are really handy, so I picked up another one of these little envelope kind of folders, button closed folders in A4. But then they also had these. They had this A4 display book, so I thought that would be quite handy to hold the like my expenses receipts in. And then also this one, which is one of the expanding organizers with a little button clasp closure there. So again, really handy for like maybe invoices or brand contract deals, that kind of thing. And of course they're in all white, but they do have other colors available. As always with my little stockpile of gift wrap, gift cards and everything like that, I just love having a little stockpile, because then you can shop as and when you see something that you actually like, and you can get it then and there, even if there's no particular occasion coming up, rather than feeling forced to buy one. You've actually got one that you love. Anyway, they had some new bottle bag designs in, or at least I've never seen these ones before, with like a gold foil design of this champagne bottle. And we actually don't have any bottle carriers. I've just realised, if you give someone this, are they going to be expecting champagne? You can't put wine in there. I don't know. I picked up some Sharpies. Usually they do either 1 or 2 in a pack for £1, but I think this was £2 for a pack of 5. Ooh, next up we've got a couple of foodie items. This first one is a Nando's peri peri sauce, and I've never tried this flavour before, so when I saw it I was like, I'm just going to grab it, even though I don't necessarily need it right now because I've got some other one in the cupboard. Some other sauce in the cupboard. What am I trying to say? Coconut and lemon in medium. This next one is again another weekend treat because it is naughty, but it is one of our favourite chocolate bars that exists. If you have yet to try the M&M's chocolate bars, oh my gosh, they are incredible. To be fair, I've only tried the crispy one, and they do a whole different range, but I still think crispy would be my favourite. So I've never tried the others, because I feel like I would always pick this one as my #1 choice. Anyway, £2 these ones are, and let me tell you, they are worth every penny. Last but not least, in the third bag, we picked up some medium roast ground coffee for our filter coffees in the morning. They also have a dark roast, which I've tried before, and it's really nice, but I thought I'd just give the medium roast a try this time. And at only £1, pretty good value, in fact very good value. I've been into growing herbs lately. When I picked up some from Home Bargains, they are sprouting. At least the parsley is doing really well, and the basil is. Thyme is a little bit slower time is taking its time. I got this metal planter set, ideal for kitchen windowsill herb garden, for those that need to be indoors, which I think is the problem with the time. Next up, I picked up a makeup item, and this palette very much reminded me of the Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes, which I have actually had in the past in their brand Max & More Conceal, Highlight and Cream Contour. That one and that one I think would be my faves. £1, what a bargain. You can't really go wrong even if you just want to try it, and if it doesn't go well and you don't like it. Okay, next up I got 2 of these canisters with little lids on, and they are actually stackable as well. So I think that's really handy for storage in your kitchen cupboards. Maybe you want to label them up with a Dymo label printer, or you could use these in your bathroom for maybe cotton buds and cotton pads or something, however you really want to use them. They had these in grey as well as white. Next up I got these napkins, because if you saw my Aldi haul where I did a little dupes video including homeware and lots of beauty, I featured this new outdoor rustic wicker set that they've currently got, and this is the napkin holder part. So obviously I needed some napkins to go inside. They don't all fit at once, probably half of them. This too is a little Aldi purchase that I got a while back for about 99p. So I needed to stock up on some cotton buds. I have seen a few people show that they have eco-friendly bamboo stick earbuds, which I'm yet to spot. I've been to 2 different Poundlands, didn't see them in either. The bamboo stick is beige as well, so I quite like the beige and white thing, yeah, but there we go. I also picked up this little premium bottle brush, is how they describe it. This was in the baby section, so it's designed I think for cleaning baby bottles, but I also thought it'd be quite handy for wine glasses, because sometimes I find it hard to get into a wine glass with either a Minky or a Dishmatic, so I feel like this would be quite handy to have. It's obviously all white, which all of my cleaning utensils on my kitchen worktop are either white, grey or black, so that'll fit quite nicely in there as well. And it's dual ended as well, so yeah, really thought that was just handy. And then I also got this is probably one of the only elbow grease products I've never tried before, and it is their cream cleaner with micro crystals in lemon fresh scent. Cleans hobs, sinks, bathrooms, the only cleaner you will ever need. And then last but not least, I treated myself to a new adult colouring book. Again, like doing little puzzles in the evening. I sometimes like to just I like to draw, or not necessarily draw, but like write or jot down or scribble or whatever. So this is like a little activity that just helps calm the mind. They have loads of different designs. They had joyful, beauty, some others as well, but this is the one I went for because it has lots of animals in. Look at that little sausage dog. So there we have it. That is everything that I picked up from Poundland this time round. Quite a lot. Again, if you missed my last one, I'll leave that one linked if you wanted to check it out as well, because I've got plenty more in that too. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys.